Welcome. Today I am with Skullcandy Crusher ANC headphones, and I'm going to show you how you can power on or power off this device. So at first you have to focus on the left headphone, and on this headphone we'll find this button. We have to click and hold it for 5 seconds to turn it on, so let's make it right now. Keep holding. Right now you can release when you hear power on notification in your headphones. To turn them off, you have to just click and hold one more time. And right now you will also hear notification in your headset that they are power off. That's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.